support for Model Builder International. MiniArt have sent along champagne and cognac bottles with crates. 276 parts in total. Those are going to be bottles, I suspect. So, what have we got on the edge here? A couple more kits, European cart, another kit with containers full of things, wooden barrels, more bottles, milk churns, things like that. On the other side, just warnings, and on the back, the assembly instructions. So basically there's two different types of crate. We have 6 sprues of one sort, 6 sprues of another, and 18 sprues of bottles. Make 6 crates like this, and 6 crates, cognac crates. And this is what we end up with. I notice the colours are just called out by name. There's no paint manufacturer's reference numbers on this, so we'll be working it out a little bit. So the colours green, wood, white, red and blue for different colours. It'll be interesting to get the worn effects on these wooden crates as well. So let's have a look inside the box, see what we get. We have one bag containing everything. So I'll just open that up. Inside, first off, so look here, we have the decal sheet, lots of small decals, and those will be both for the bottles and for the crates as well. So there's lots of nice stuff there. I'll take a photograph of that and zoom right in. Let's see exactly what level of detail is on those decals, especially the bottle labels. Okay, so we have, push those to one side. There's the 2 types of sprues we have. We have, that's the right way of putting it, a particular one, and there's a wood grain detail on there. Sprue attachment points are really quite small and fine. I turn it over. Yeah, more wood detail on those sides as well. So those look nice, no ejector pin marks anywhere. Let's look at this one, is very similar to the last. This one is the smaller of the 2, so that's AT. Let's say AB. This is the cognac crates. Again, nice wood detail on the parts themselves. That's got the receptacles for holding the bottles. They're in there nice. So that should be straight enough. Paint those on the sprue to start with, put them together, touch up the outsides of the crates, and we should be good. Look at the bottles. It's just 2 of them. Basically it looks like it's identical sprues, just made with different coloured plastic. Both are slightly see-through, just as you'd expect really. Sprue attachment points on the bottom, so as long as the bottle is stood up, you don't have to worry too much about cleaning up the bottom of the bottle, as long as it will stand. Yeah, those are rather nice. You've got 1, 2, 3, 5 champagne and 5 cognac on each sprue, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 red, 8 green. So they should go together quite nicely, look quite realistic. I think the key to these will be the weathering of the wooden crates. Okay, so we'll have a quick look at the instructions on the back of the box, as you can see them here. Not much to them, they're pretty straightforward as you expect. Let's have a closer look at some of the parts. I'll just put these across the screen here, looking at the crates first. And you can see that there's some nice wood detail on the outsides of the boxes, so they should paint nicely. A lot of this will come down to creating a weathered wood effect. That'll be what will make these really pop. As you can see, lots of small green and red bottles. Now I'll put up some images of the finished products. The decals, as you can see here, cover most of the labels, but you probably need a little bit of gold and silver paint for the foil tops to some of these bottles. But overall, they'll look nice in a diorama, like you can see here in the back of a truck. These should be really good. Thanks to MiniArt for sending them along. Hope you like the new video format.